curious about, you have discounts for AAA members. I was just wondering what the discount would be.
He's not even sleeping, he's just snoring.
Oh, so
Who's a
that's
good
you
boy?
by your office. Okay. That's what I was wondering. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. There you go. Do we have the number for the AAA? How far is that AAA office? Is it far out? I'm gonna call and see what the discount is for AAA for, how much AAA for Kimberly Creek would be cheaper, or would this be cheaper than McDonald's and stuff? Do you want to take a
He's
look?
not even sleeping and he's snoring.